Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Z, Library Media Specialist. I am here to show you how to access BookFlix. This is a K through 3 resource. It pairs a fiction story with a nonfiction text. There are puzzlers that you can play after you listen to the books. Let's look at this great resource. We are going to start at Technology at HMES, which is where we have all of our resources. You would scroll down until you find the BookFlix icon. You can go ahead and click on that icon. Here you will enter the username and password. You can skip the intro.
Click on a category, or click on the feature to begin.
On the main screen, you will see many different categories that you can choose from. We have animals and nature, earth and sky, people and places, and so on. I'm going to click on animals and nature today.
Animals and nature.
So that I can demonstrate for you how this works. So if you scroll down, you will see there are a lot of different options. I'm going to click on Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs by Eric Litwin and Milk to Ice Cream. So what I can do now is I can click on Watch the Story and it will have a video story of Groovy Joe, Ice Cream and Dinosaurs. After I have read this story, then I can click on the nonfiction book. If you click here on the arrow, that will open the nonfiction text. There are a couple options here. You can highlight, you can do a read-along, so if you would like the book to be read to you.
From farm to factory. Ice cream is a cool treat. Get the scoop on how it is made.
You can also read the book to yourself. After you have read the nonfiction text,
Farmer's milk.
Over here on the left-hand side, we have puzzlers. So, for example, word match.
Read the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture. A special delight or pleasure.
So you would look at your choices and decide which word matches a special delight or pleasure. And that, of course, would be a treat. You can also click on fact or fiction.
Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer. Dogs bark.
So you would decide if that was fact or fiction. We know that that is a fact. The last one is which came first.
Pictures. What happened first? Drag that picture to the yellow box.
So for this activity, students can put the story in order. All three of these puzzlers are great to help us reinforce skills that we need to know. If you look in the top right-hand corner, you will see an apple with a book. If you click on that icon, you can then click on lesson plans, and this is a great resource for teachers. So you have the ability to look closely at each resource. You can see who the author is, the illustrator, the grade levels, the themes in the story, how long the story is. It'll tell you a little summary about the book. And then if you scroll down, you will see there are learning objectives. For example, students will identify facts from a nonfiction text. You can see that before viewing the video, there are some questions you can ask. After viewing activities, paired text activities. So there are a lot of different activities that you can do that go along with these stories. If you click on the home icon, that'll take you back.
Click on a category, or click on the feature to begin.
If you notice, there is a search option. So if you're looking for a specific book, for example, I really enjoy Fly Guy, I could type in Fly Guy, and I can see that they do have one Fly Guy book, Hi Fly Guy, and it is paired with It's a Good Thing There Are Insects. Going back to home, there's another option. If you click
on the feature to begin.
Here, if you move the circle across, it'll show you texts that are in Spanish. So I just moved that across so it is on. And if I were to click on Earth and Sky, it's going to show me the texts that are available in Spanish. Now, if I move this circle, it's going to show all of the text in Earth and Sky. But if I want to know the ones that are in Spanish only, it will narrow that down for me so that I can see that. And then if I click on a text, and I click on Watch the Story, and then click on Espanol,
El punto.
it will play in Espanol. Going back to home,
Click on a category, or click on the feature to begin.
this resource provides lots of meaningful story time, and I hope you enjoy it.